The world is a beautiful place. Life is unique, but also very fragile. We need to preserve and protect it. At Airbus, we believe that defense and sustainability go hand in hand. Our future relies on peace and stability. The planet and its people may be turned upside down in the blink of an eye. For those who manage crises and prevent their escalation, our solutions provide vital data, helping to limit the environmental and social impact.
Breaking news.
Conflicts and disasters can affect us all, threatening our freedom and livelihood. For those who protect our lives by risking their own, our products are essential for their missions to keep us safe. Hope lies in our confidence in the future. Our technologies support those who restore ecosystems and communities. For those who make this world a safer place, we are here.